Hello, I am Jasmine Melton. I am a building construction science intern here at Grand Roof. So we work on industrial and commercial buildings, which includes office buildings, restaurants, warehouses, and hospitals, and sometimes maybe even more. Here at Graham, we work on EPDM, modified bitumen roofings, and TPO. Now we are going to walk you through our process. Come on, let's go.
Hey y'all, I'm Amy. I'm the administrative assistant here at Graham Roofing, and I'm the first point of contact for clients when they call in with leaks in their buildings and businesses. The process that I take is I talk with the customer and I get as much information as possible about what's going on with their situation. And communication is key, so I try to always make sure that I get correct spellings and that I understand completely what the client is trying to say. And then when I get that information, I enter it into our system, and then from there it just goes on to the next step in the process.
Hey, I'm Sunny with Graham Roofing. I'm the project manager. Once I get the information from Amy that she has collected, I give it to Eric with our repair team, and he goes and makes whatever repairs are necessary. If the damage is extensive, then we will give the information to Elbert, our salesman, and then he will get in contact with the owner to see just what exactly it is that we need to do.
Okay. Land that we check any type of leak. You know what I'm saying? Go around, probe. I go around the whole thing. Check your lap.
So what are you looking for here when you're running the probe down the lap?
See if it's in the open lap, anything open on the lap or anywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. Check old caulking. That's a good sign. Check around, you know what I'm saying? They drop things on the roof, you gotta check that.
So trash is definitely a large,
Definitely thing you got to get up.
big issue on the roofs.
Like any type of hole, little puncture, anything stuck through the roof, anything backed up screws, then backed up. Anything like that. I most definitely need to pick up screws, not the debris off the roof.
Gotcha. When you look at a roof, do you essentially call me?
After if it's just too bad, worn out,
Okay.
yeah, most definitely is that.
Gotcha. A lot of the debris, I know a lot of the ones you've called me on have had a lot of prior patching, a lot of debris on the roof.
Right.
And that's usually when I get brought in. All right, so we've picked this up from our leak call. When my leak crew got on site, they gave me a call, told me I needed to come out and take a look at this because this possibly or potentially was more than just a simple leak call. So some of the things I'm going to do today is take some rough measurements so we can start working up a quote. What that entails is I'm going to measure the roof, measure how many units are on here, all the small little detail stuff I'm going to mark down on a roof map so that I can turn over to the estimation team for them to be able to give a good solid number for a re-roof proposal. In that, I also need to know what's already here and what's been done in the past, and the best way to do that is by doing a core cut. Core cut's going to tell me how many layers of roofing material are on this building and kind of what has been done in the past, what the original roof was and what is on here now, how thick it is, and how all the makeup that entails that roof system. So once I get that done, all that information gets compiled and we kind of move on to the next step, which is moving to our estimation team. Our estimation team will pick this up and we will have a little short meeting about it to discuss the different options that we may have. Remember that we're always trying to keep the customer's interest first and foremost, to make sure that we're looking at this in their best interest.
Hey, this is Sunny again. So once Elbert has provided the owner with a proposal and the owner decides to go ahead with the repairs, I take the proposal with the information about the repairs to do. I schedule a team and I get the materials ordered, and then, you know, just depending on how bad the repairs are, you know, we try to schedule it as quickly as we possibly can.
Now you have seen the process of how we start our projects. I hope you found anything interesting, and I hope you sometime maybe call us for a job. Thank you for following.